Hey there, Escambia Public School teachers. Our team knows that you are dedicated to the daily learning and growth of your students. So join us for a Byte of Tech with the Student Data Systems team as we go over posting standard grades. Let's focus together. From the portal page, go to Final Grades and Post Standard Grades. Once this screen appears, if you hover over your standard, it's going to give you a larger description. Choose a drop-down for each student, picking the grade, and then when you're finished, go ahead and click that red Save button. Now you also have the ability to mass update by choosing your standard and then choosing the grade. Now this grade that you choose will go for all of your students, and you're going to see when you click Run Mass Update that it overrides your previous choices. Now you can go through and change for each individual student if you would like. Remember to click that red Save button, and now you've posted standard grades in focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos that are here on the side and fill out our content form so we keep creating those videos just for you, because that is the Byte of Tech.